Many people in Dallas continue to work and play outdoors, but they're heeding warnings from health officials to protect themselves. 15-year-old Macias says he's followed the news reports of West Nile cases here.
Yeah, I'm concerned because, if it comes to us, then, there's a chance that you could die.
Maria Salgado knows about the illness firsthand, having come down with it in her native Mexico some years ago.
It gave me a high fever, pain in the bones, and I felt dizzy and did not want to get up.
Salgado says she's taking precautions now, especially with her children. Both the county and city of Dallas have declared emergencies and have started spraying the entire area with chemicals that target the mosquitoes that spread West Nile virus. The aerial effort has been disrupted at times by storm systems moving through the area. Dallas County Judge Clay Jenkins, who directs the program, says the recent rains may explain why this urban area has so many more West Nile cases than any other place in the country.
Because we've had drought throughout and a little less drought in our area than the rest of the state, and now we're having wet, and it's hot, that has something to do with making the conditions so right.
Local citizens, for the most part, support the spraying efforts.
As long as there are mosquitoes with West Nile and as long as it's a health hazard, I think it's better to spray.
But there are also many critics of the spraying program, including local organic farm operator Marie Today, who worries about the effect on beneficial insects like bees.
Honeybees are on our farm to help my farm be more productive. And we know that bees are very sensitive to this pesticide.
She also thinks local officials have exaggerated the West Nile threat.
More people get influenza every year, probably in far less time than our whole summer of West Nile cases. Are they going to start dropping influenza vaccines from the airplanes to vaccinate the population?
Judge Jenkins dismisses such complaints, saying there is no indication that the spray is harmful.
I think if there was going to be a problem to humans, pets, beneficial insects, we'd have seen it by now. We haven't, and neither have the other cities who've done this.
Jenkins and other local officials say studies have shown the chemicals being applied are safe and effective, and that their top priority is protecting local citizens from a potentially deadly disease.
With a little bit of luck, local officials hope the continued spraying will help them get this problem under control in the coming days. Flakus, VOA News, Dallas.